I'll whoop your head, boy. You know why I will. I'll whoop your head, boy. With the back of the steel. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your cap can get peeled. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your ass can get killed. I'll whoop your head, boy. You know why I will. I'll whoop your head, boy. With the back of the steel. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your cap can get peeled. I'll whoop your head, boy.
Shit a real dope, homie.
Word, I seen a 7-foot-tall white Terminator nigga with 20 guns on my roof just the other day.
Punisher be taking out all y'all stupid heroes. He be saying bam, 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 bam. Take out that nigga bam, 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 bam.
I gave you fair warning, beware, beware, beware. I gave you fair warning, beware, beware.
But you thought punk shit was sweet, now you can't sleep. Gotta keep your eyes open wide and hide your face from the streets. I'm like the beast with a warrant, far from a Norman. Gave you fair warning, now you wanna stand swollen. I'm calling out any rapper that I doubt. Smack him in the mouth, throw him in the yoke, boom, then I knock him.
I'll whoop your head, boy. You know why I will. I'll whoop your head, boy. With the back of the steel. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your cap can get peeled. I'll whoop your head.
Okay. Hey yo, I jumped from the 8th floor step, hit the ground, the pound fell. Cops is coming, running through the pissy shit. I ain't hear nothing, bugging. Only thing I remember was a bullshit summer. So I stopped at the 2nd floor, ran across cracks, is falling, my pockets is mean. Clean when I vanished off, took off, made track look easy. The walkie-talkies, the DGs had. Black day was rated PG. Run, I will not give up. Quick flag the car down, take me to go city, calm down. Come off quick, back up. Hit the bitch dog, turn downhill like the Molly split. Run, I will not get bagged on a rock. I seen what happened to they bad with they cops. They am shit, plan shit, destroy evidence. Fucking case, I'm not coming home when I'm 56. Die with the heart of Scarface and take 50 licks before I let these crackers throw me in shit. Bounce if you a good kid, bounce through the bird hop curve, swerve and get served. These cocksuckers got nerve. Heard I was killing shit, they must got word that I told the chief from Ridgeport I don't wanna merge. Run, run, cops got guns, motherfucker.
I might gotta take my shirt off.
Why not, kid?
I like that one.
Yeah, come on, baby, do it.
Yo, it's Task Force Tuesday, the Knox is in the black car. I got 500 packs in my backyard. Clear 12 that look like stuffed shells. I'm cutting niggas' throats on the sales while they puff L's. Don't leave nothing unbagged, shave everything. I learned from the OGs to save everything. They come by one more time, they gon' hop out. They too deep and one is a bitch, she getting knocked out. Then I can get rid of the pack, but I just copped this pretty chrome thing, so I'm dipping with that. Downshifting on them like I got gears on me. Besides that, I got about 5 years on me. Scared to death, running like I got bears on me. My Timbs start feeling like they Nike ears on me. It's hard for me to slow down, it's like I'm on the thruway. My belt's in the crib on the floor by my two-way. Now I'm trying to hold my hammer up in my pants too. They don't kill me, they gon' give me a number I can't do. Rather it be the streets than jail where I die at. And I'm asthmatic, so I'm looking for somewhere to hide at. But they too close and I got.
I'll whoop your head, boy. You know why I will. I'll whoop your head, boy. With the back of the steel. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your cap can get peeled. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your ass can get killed. I'll whoop your head, boy. You know why I
got nerve. Heard I was killing shit, they must got word that I told the chief from Ridgeport I don't wanna merge. Run, if you sell drugs in the school zone. Run, if you getting chased with no shoes on. Run, fuck that. My man Rob Love. Cops got guns, they giving out life by the tons. Run, if you ain't do shit, you ain't that next.
Ready for war, Joe? How you wanna blow they spot? I know these dirty cops that'll get us in if we murder some wop. Hop in your Hummer, the punish is ready. Meet me and Beatles with noodles, we do this do while he's slurping spaghetti. Everybody kiss the fucking floor, Joe, we crack, fuck them all. If they move, noodle, shoot that fucking whore.
Run, if you sell drugs in the school zone. Run, if you getting chased with no shoes on. Run, fuck that. My man Rob Love. Cops got guns, they giving out life. What up?
don't make me kill, no We shoot guns and hit targets. Meat market, chop haters up who start shit. MJG ripping hoes and bodyguards out of line. Polices and boys who think they party hard. And when the party started, I thought we was all chillin'. I figured that everybody be leaving here all living. You standing too close, partner, you asking too much. Baby, you need to get away from around me before I click on crazy.
Yeah, man, these niggas coming round talking about they hot, but they not fucking with Fat Boy and MJ. Nigga, we the truth. Holla at a player, man, streets or the booth. We poppin' at you haters, man. Soft ass niggas make they chin hit the flow. Off brand niggas take they cheese and they hold. Mafio, niggas know when them real live G's hit the dough, Don't make me kill no motherfucking body in here. I'ma shoot 3 shots. Somebody done made me hot. Don't make me kill no motherfucking body in.
Yeah, welcome to the MIC mixtape, niggas. Volume 2. We back, niggas. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all know what my motherfucking name. Yeah, I am buzzing. My name in the streets be buzzing. The speakers in the Jeeps be buzzing till I kill your mother, your brother, 3 or 4 of your cousins like it's nothing. Buzzing. He ain't really from the hood, nigga. If I catch him in the hood, I'm buzzing. I ride with them choppers all day. I dare you to pop blocker. I'm off my rocker, silent. You better off finding Hoffa. I've lost my mind. Sick man brought my 9. 6 man off my pine. Industry heads off my grind. Centipede leg niggas follow me. Yeah, nigga, off that liquor. Walk back by him, spit lead to the head. Niggas off my mind. Go ahead, nigga, talk that crime. Talk that, spark that, notch. Walk that fine. Line in between talk and sparking that 9. Rhyming to being caught in the chalk outline. Entire teams get balked, I buy 'em. I am battling and scattered. They'd rather be triumph. Breaking niggas back, we giants. They be getting slapped by Goliath. That means that I am him in the back chillin'. That'll be quiet, but that don't mean triumph. The Gatlings is by him. You have to be blind to not see the black and green sign. Peeking at no matter who's eyeing him. Reading here, be leaving the baddest dude lying in the puddle of some sort of fabulous new science. I done had it here in Babylon. I am that dude quietly shooting that shatterproof iron, nigga. I am buzzing. My name in the streets be buzzing. The speakers in the Jeeps be buzzing till I kill your mother, your brother, 3 or 4 of your cousins like it's nothing. Buzzing. He ain't really from the hood, nigga. If I catch him in the hood, I'm buzzing. Everything y'all love, I'm touching. Granny gon' die. Fuck 'em. Bonafide hustler, dude in the tank, do a clown, undo. Now who would do it, nigga can't. He would do it till the music ends. Do it when it's noon and do it till it's new again. Do it till it's new again. Do it till he proves to you who, till you can't. Flow, no mo, no tool, no shank, no rules. Oh, no, don't do's in the blanks. Oh no, don't go assuming who you think gon' blow. Won't be leaving here sooner than you think. The party ain't over till I'm losing my drink. I'm a couple dollars up from hollering, ooh, I can't. Up and at 'em till tomorrow while I choose my fate. With the dues that I paid while I move with my rank, yeah. Move with my weight, yeah. Do whoever ain't playing dead. Lonely player, only shoes in the paint. I'ma go until there's no more room in the bank. I'm just y'all niggas sitting on tall figures to the law. I'm the invisible, legit small business. The minute
Show for free, suck my dick. You broken, wanna be for me. You can suck my dick. All you fags that get offended. You can suck my dick. Conscious rappers trying to talk shit. You can suck my dick. Bitches think they doing favors. You can suck my dick.